Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add your business location on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on your maps. Okay, click on maps. Okay, then turn on, scroll down. Okay, turn on your location, then back. Okay, then search your location. Okay, then tap on share icon and click on copy. Okay, then back and click on Instagram app, tap on profile and click on edit profile. Okay, then tap on links, then click on add external link. Just click, copy your, then paste your location, title my location, just tap on done. That's all to add your business location on Instagram. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.